Welcome back. Have you ever said, wow, oh no, hey, yay, without even thinking? Well, guess what? Those little emotions are called interjections. Today, we are going to break down interjections in English, see what they are, how we use them, the different types of interjection, and let's make grammar super fun. So, what's an interjection? You may have heard people using a lot of expressions like, hey, we won, right? So, interjection is a short word, right? A word or a phrase that expresses a sudden feeling or a reaction. It can show surprise, happiness, sadness, excitement, anger, or anything. Let's look at some of the examples. Wow, that view is amazing, right? Oh no, I forgot my wallet. Oops, I dropped my phone. Hooray, we won. Ah, that's scary. So you would have used these sort of words, right, in your daily conversation. Now, we let's answer this question. Why do we use interjection, right? We use interjections to show emotions in a natural human way that make your speech expressive, lively, and real. Another couple of examples. I got the job, right? Wow, that's awesome. So it's also how you say it, right? All the emotions has to go when you're speaking, the intonation, the rhythm. If you sound flat, if you just say, yeah, yay, I got the job, it wouldn't make a lot of sense, right? So that emotions has to be there. So there are different types of interjections. Let's look at some of them. Interjections of joy, such as hey, hooray, awesome, wow, right? These are interjections you would use when you feel happy or excited, right? For example, hooray, we finally completed the project. Next, interjections of surprise. You end up using these interjections mostly when something happens when you're not expecting that to happen, right? For example, what? Oh, really? Oh, wow, right? Example, what? You got the tickets for the match? Surprising, right? Now let's look at interjections of sorrow. I think there is a lot of confusion around interjections, especially when it comes to punctuations, exclamation mark, right? That interjections are usually used for happiness. No, but it is used for any sort of expression, right? Be it you being angry or sad or happy, right? So coming back to interjection of sorrow, right? That would show sadness, sympathy, or disappointment, such as "Oh no, oops, oh," right? "Oh, the hero died in the movie." It's a sort of sad. You wasn't expecting that. So now let's look at interjections of anger, annoyance. Example: Hey, stop. Or, oh, come on. Right? These are interjections or words that you would use when you're surprised or, sorry, you're angry or you're annoyed. Example, hey, watch where you're going, which basically means, hey, look and go, right? Interjections of fear, like, ah, oh my God, yes. So, for example, yeah, there's a spider on your shoulder, right? It's a sort of a fear, not exactly you're like afraid, but that's just an expression out there. So that's that. And then we also have interjections of greetings, such as hi. then exclamation mark. Hello, hey, good morning. So you meet someone after a very long time and you go like, hey, it's been a long time, right? So that's interjection for greetings. Then you also have interjections for hesitation, such as uh, those are mostly filler words as well, right? Or sometimes filler sounds. So you say, I don't know if I want to go. So you're not sure, right? You're hesitant, or you're still thinking, or you're unsure of something, and that's when you would use those filler words or interjection. So how interjection are written? Basically, these interjections are always followed by an exclamation mark. There's a stick, there's a dot, right? That's the one I'm talking about. You'll see that on your laptop as well, or on the phone. So wow is strong interjection. Oh is a weak interjection. So here's a quick tip around interjections. Use them carefully in your formal writing. As I usually do not suggest use a lot of exclamation mark, especially in professional writing. Should avoid it. They're best for storytelling, speech, casual writing, but not business emails. So let's look at common interjections used in everyday English. Out here, some interjections we overuse, sometimes incorrectly as well. Like array, surprise or frustration, right? Cha, and then so many question marks. Oh, and then so many exclamation marks. Happy birthday when you text someone on WhatsApp, and there are countless exclamation mark out there, right? You don't need to use so many. Just one would, relay the meaning, right? So let's have a quick practice here. Okay, I'm gonna read out a few sentences, fill in the blanks, and I want you to use the correct interjection. So, dash. I can't believe I met a celebrity today. Next, dash. I messed up us again. Third, dash. The movie was amazing. Dash. There's a lizard on the wall. So write your answers in the comment section and see how many of you got it. Now, I also want to let you know that interjections bring life and emotions to your English, right? They are simple, they are fun, easy to use. Just do not overuse them in a professional environment. If you enjoyed today's lesson, hit like, use a lot of interjections down. Wow, it was amazing. Okay, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. And thank you for watching. You're watching Learn Fluent English with Rajesh. I'm Rajesh, and I will see you in the next video.